first have a look at this amazing 3D website and I'll tell you how you can build the same using AI all for free within just 10 minutes. So as we scroll, you see there's an animation that shows the product, and as we keep scrolling, the animation proceeds, and the same happens with the reverse as well. So isn't this cool? So this is a website by Shreyas Raj. Shout out to him for providing this resources for the project. And you see there's different variations as well. There's a chocolate variation and there is a product for pomegranate as well. Just look at the animation, how beautiful it is, and it is interactive, similar to how big tech companies like Apple does. So stay along, and within 10 minutes I'll show you how you can build this too. So welcome back to Next AI Hustle, where we build AI projects, apps and websites. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. Let's get started. So quickly let me show you the requirements for the project that I'm actually using. All are free tools. So the first one is Whisk by Google. This is an image generation tool that uses Nano Banana. And the next one is for video generation, we use Google Flow. And for code generation, we use Google's Antigravity. So you can try out all of these tools all for free. So let's get started. So let's start with a product for our website. Maybe for now I'll choose mango drink for our product. Maybe Maza mango juice, and let me take a product image. So this seems fine. Let me save it, and then let's go to the first tool which I mentioned. Is we use Whisk for image generation for the product. Let's go to Whisk, and if you have never used the website, you can just simply sign in with Google. So let me just quickly do that. Enter tool. Okay, so we'll use the product image and try to create the frames for our website, the initial and the final frame. So let me just upload the product image and let me just copy the prompt. So these prompts will be available in the description. So now it's generating me the final frame for the website. So I think I would go with this one. I like this one very much. So let me just download this, and then again let me take this same image and try to use type to remove all the elements from the image. So this will generate me a clean background that I can use as the initial frame for the video generation. So now I have both images with me. Let me just use this to generate a 3D animated video. So let me go to Google Flow, and here we try to generate the video, right? Okay, so let me create a new project, and let me just choose the option to create a video through frames. So if you want a high quality video, you can just use View 3.1 quality one. So right now I'll just use the fast version. So you can see the video is generated. Let me just play and see if this was okay. See, the video is generated with very beautiful animations. Let's try to download this in a high quality one so that we can use it as frames to the website. Okay, now that the video is downloaded, we can just simply use this video to generate the frames for our website. Simply go to a free website called EasyGIF video to JPG. Okay, so this will actually help us to convert the video into the individual frames, right? I just uploaded the video, and let me just press on upload, and then it asks you for a number of images to generate. I'll try to use large size itself, but the number of frames that I want, maybe around 24 frames, that looks good. So I've just pressed on the convert, and it starts to generate frames for my website. You see, it is generating the frames. Okay, now it's done. So I can just download the frames as zip. Let me just download it. We can just extract these. Extract all. So now that we have the frames in a folder, let me just create a folder called 3D website. where we'll try to keep these assets, right? So let me just rename it to mango juice. Okay, so now the final part is the generation of the actual website. For this we will use Antigravity, that is a free tool by Google. So we will try to utilize the latest models from Antigravity and try to generate the website. So let me just select this 3D website folder, and we have those assets for the mango juice. Right now, let me just go to the agent and try to specify I want to create the actual 3D website. For that, we will use this prompt. We can use all. I can just copy it and try to paste it in the terminal. You can just paste this, and then also mention that the assets for mango juice are in the please use it, right? You can experiment with various models. For me, I usually go with Opus 4.5. So the agent has already started working on the website creation. Once it's done, let's have a look. So the agent has created the website, and you can see the frames are properly added, and yes, you can further refine by having a follow-up queries, right? So stick around. In the upcoming videos, I'll be showing you how you can even deploy this website using free tools. So don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next upcoming videos for more exciting AI projects. See you.